there is a strange feeling that only a few people understand. It happens when the world is still asleep. No noise. No messages. No pressure. Just silence. And somewhere in that silence, your heart starts feeling something different. You cannot fully explain it. But deep inside, it feels like Allah is trying to pull you closer. Most people ignore this moment. They sleep through it every single day. But some people wake up without knowing why. They sit alone in the dark. They make dua with tired eyes. And slowly, their entire life begins to change in ways they never expected. Not because they became perfect overnight. Not because money suddenly appeared. But because something inside them became stronger. The kind of strength people cannot see from the outside. And once that change begins, nothing stays the same again. There are people who spend years trying to fix their life during the day. They chase motivation. They search for peace. They distract themselves with endless things. But the peace never lasts. Then one morning, they wake up before the morning prayer. Maybe by accident. Maybe because they could not sleep. Maybe because their heart felt heavy. And for the first time in a long time, they sit quietly with Allah, while the rest of the world sleeps. That moment feels small. But sometimes Allah changes your life through moments that look small to everyone else. The first thing that starts changing at 5 a.m. is your mind. During the day, your brain feels crowded. Too many voices. Too many problems. Too much pressure. But before sunrise, everything feels slower. Your thoughts become clearer. You finally hear yourself without the noise of the world. And this is where many people realize something painful. They were running so fast in life that they forgot where they were even going. At 5 a.m., reality feels honest. You stop pretending. You stop performing. You stop trying to impress people. And slowly, you start becoming real again. That honesty changes people more than they expect. Some people think waking up early is only about productivity. But that is not the real secret. The real secret is what happens to your heart when nobody is watching you. There is something powerful about standing in prayer while the world sleeps. No audience. No attention. Just you and Allah. And sometimes those quiet prayers become the reason your life survives difficult years later. Because Allah sees moments that nobody else sees. He sees the tears people hide. He sees the exhaustion behind fake smiles. He sees the pain people laugh through every day. And when you turn to Him during those silent hours, something begins to heal inside you slowly. The second thing that changes at 5 a.m. is your relationship with time. Most people wake up already stressed. They rush through everything. Their day controls them before it even begins. But when you wake up early for Allah, your day feels different. You feel ahead of your problems, instead of trapped under them. Even hard days feel easier to carry. You become calmer, more patient, less reactive. Small things stop controlling your emotions. And this is where people around you start noticing a change they cannot explain. Because peace looks different on someone who starts their morning with Allah. There is another reason why these early hours are special. It is because pain feels more honest at that time. During the day, people distract themselves from what hurts them. They scroll endlessly. They joke around. They stay busy. But at 5 a.m., there is nowhere to hide from yourself. And honestly, many people are afraid of that silence. Because silence exposes what the heart has been carrying for too long. But this is also where healing begins. The people who allow themselves to sit with Allah during those quiet moments often discover strength they never knew they had. The third thing that changes is your discipline. And discipline changes everything. Motivation disappears quickly. Feelings change every day. But discipline builds a different kind of person. When you wake up while your body wants sleep, you're teaching your soul something important. You're teaching yourself that Allah matters more than comfort. And over time, that mindset enters every part of your life. You become stronger against bad habits. You become more careful with your words. You stop wasting as much time. You stop delaying things that matter. Because every early morning reminds you that your life is limited. And suddenly, your time starts feeling valuable again. Many people wait for a huge sign from Allah before changing their life. They wait for disaster. They wait for heartbreak. They wait until they completely break down. But sometimes Allah gives you a smaller invitation first. A quiet invitation. A chance to return before things become worse. And for many people, that invitation begins at 5 a.m. A simple alarm. A quiet room. A sleepy prayer mat. It does not look dramatic. But some of the biggest life changes begin in ordinary moments like these. The fourth thing that changes is your connection with Allah itself. And this is where everything becomes emotional. Because many people pray, but their heart still feels distant. They say the words, but something feels missing. Then one early morning, they make dua differently. More honestly. More openly. They stop using perfect words. They stop trying to sound strong. They finally speak to Allah with complete truth. And that is when tears come unexpectedly. Not because life suddenly became easy, but because the heart finally stopped pretending. There is something powerful about knowing Allah hears every word you cannot explain to anyone else. Sometimes people think closeness to Allah will remove every hardship immediately. But often, Allah changes you before He changes your situation. He gives you patience before relief. He gives you clarity before answers. He gives you strength before success. And many people discover this during those early hours. They realize the biggest miracle was not that life became perfect. The miracle was that they became stronger while waiting. There are people listening right now who feel completely stuck in life. Maybe you feel tired all the time. Maybe your heart feels empty even around people. Maybe you lost motivation. Maybe you pray but still feel lost. And honestly, sometimes the problem is not that Allah abandoned you. Sometimes your soul is simply starving for quiet time with Him. Your heart was never created to survive endless distraction. It needs connection. It needs reflection. It needs moments where nothing matters except Allah. The fifth thing that changes at 5 a.m. is your future. Not in one morning. Not in 1 week. But slowly. Quietly. Day by day. Your decisions improve. Your mindset improves. Your relationship with people improves. You begin protecting your peace differently. You stop chasing things that destroy your heart. And without realizing it, you become a completely different person months later. This is why some people look calm even after difficult years. Because they built a private connection with Allah that carried them through pain nobody knew about. And maybe that is the real secret. The people who wake up at 5 a.m. for Allah are not superheroes. They are ordinary people with heavy hearts, hidden struggles, private fears, and exhausted minds. But they discovered something many people never discover. They discovered that closeness to Allah changes a person from the inside first. And once the inside changes, the outside slowly follows. One day you may look back at your life and realize everything started changing during those quiet mornings nobody else saw. The mornings when you fought sleep just to pray. The mornings when your eyes filled with tears during dua. The mornings when you felt broken, but still turned back to Allah anyway. Those moments may feel small right now, but Allah can build a completely different future from small sincere moments. So if your life feels heavy lately, maybe this is your sign to stop waiting for a perfect moment to change. Maybe your next chapter starts before sunrise. Maybe the peace you keep searching for begins in the quiet hours, when nobody is awake except you and Allah. If this message touched your heart, subscribe for more videos like this. And keep watching, because sometimes one reminder can change the direction of your entire life.